Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today's lesson is about multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. In this example, how do we multiply a whole number with a fraction? The first step is to change this whole number into a fraction. That is, express the whole number as a fraction. How do we do that? Every whole number or any number divided by 1 is still that number. Therefore, if we put 3 and the denominator 1, 3, it means that 3 divided by 1, which is still 3. And now we add the other part, we put the other part there, multiplied by 2 out of 3. And now with this, we have gone back to the concept of multiplying fraction by a fraction. This concept we did in our previous lesson. So now you can multiply numerator with the numerator, which is 3 times 2, it's 6. 1 times 3, it's 3. All the time when you're working out the fractions, remember to do simplification. So let's simplify. 6 divided by 3, it's 2. Or by 3 is 1, by 3 is 2. And our answer is 2. Let's work out 5 multiplied by a third. So to our first step, we change 5 into a fraction by making it to have a denominator of 1. Meaning this 5 divided by 1 is still 5. Multiplied by a third. So 5 times 1, it's 5. 1 times 3, it's 3. Now our answer here, as you can see, is what we call improper fraction. And improper fraction, as the name suggests, it's improper. You're not supposed to leave your answer in this kind of a state, whereby the numerator is bigger than the denominator. This is what we are calling improper fraction. We are supposed now to simplify to get a mixed fraction. In simplification, remember, fractions are related with the division. That is, our numerator here over 3. This over here is the same thing as divide. So numerator divide by the denominator. Let's now work it out using the long division. Our numerator, which is 5, divide by our denominator, which is 3. 5 divided by 3, it goes how many times? 1, because of 3. Now we take away. 5 take away 3, we get 2. And because 2 can't divide 3, we write it as a mixed fraction. That is, our 1 here becomes our whole number, and the remainder here becomes our 2 numerator, and 3 is our denominator. Let us do another question. So our whole number is 2 multiplied by a half. So 2 expressed as a fraction is 2 over 1 multiplied by a half. So we multiply numerator and numerator, which is 2 times 1, it's 2. 1 times 2, it's 2. And 2 divided by 2, it's 1. This 1 we get here is what we call a whole. In this case, we are beginning with a fraction multiplied by a whole number. So what we're supposed to do is that we apply the same concept here, whereby where we have the whole number, we change our whole number into fraction by dividing by 1. Remember, any number divided by 1 is still that number. So 12 divided by 1 still goes back to 12. Our next step is multiplication. That is numerator times numerator, which is 1 times 12, it's 12. 6 times 1, it's 6. And now we simplify. Once you work out a fraction, make sure that you simplify that fraction. So by 6 is 1, by 6 it's 2. And the answer is 2. Let's also work out this question. You are given a half multiplied by 4. Therefore, it's a half multiplied by 4 divided by 1. We are changing this whole number, no matter the position, may it be on the second position or the first position. Every moment you see a whole number, convert it into a fraction by dividing by 1. That's the rule of the game. Now, 1 times 4 is equals to 4. 2 times 1, it's 2. After that, our second rule of the game, remember to simplify. So by 2, it's 1. by 2 it's 2, and our answer is 2. Also here, we apply the rule. Wherever we see a whole number, we change it to a fraction. So a quarter multiplied by 12 divided by 1. Then you multiply the numerator, or you can as well cross multiply. How do we cross multiply? We cross multiply denominator and numerator, denominator and numerator, or numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator. So by 4 is 1, by 4 is 3, by 1 is 1, by 1 is 1, and the answer is 3 after we do what we call cross multiplication. Our whole number is here. So we remember the rule of the game says when you see a whole number, you change it to a fraction by dividing it by 1. And then now you have at liberty now to cross multiply. So by 2 it's 2, by 2 it's 1. 1 and 3, we can't cross multiply them because they don't have a common divisor. So now we are left here with 1. 3 times 1 it's 3, 2 times 1 it's 2. Our answer here, as you can see, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Therefore, this kind of a fraction is improper. We now change it into a mixed fraction by saying numerator divided by the denominator. This is the dividend. This is the divisor. Therefore, numerator, it becomes the dividend. Denominator becomes the divisor. So 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, it goes 1 because of 2. 3 take away 2, it's 1. So this one is whatever remains. So here, our whole number is whatever is on top here. So this is our quotient. And our quotient now becomes the whole number. So our whole number is the quotient, which is 1. And our remainder is 1, becomes now part of the fraction, which is 1 over 2. And this is our answer. I wish you the best, and kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and you can as well share with your friends. Also remember to practice. Remember, practice makes perfect.